Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel 123. So as we said earlier that we'll be celebrating a space week, consider among that we'll be discussing about the part 3 or day 3 video. If you didn't watch the part 2 video about Sedna, I'll be giving a link in the description box. You can watch that video afterwards. You can watch this video. In this video, we'll be discussing about two topics. First one, we'll be discussing about asteroid belt. We know about that. It is situated between the Mars and Jupiter, and the next is the end of our solar system. Each and every solar system has its own end in the Milky Way galaxy. We know about that. So as part our solar system, our sun's family also have a end. Which will be the end? It's the kuplar belt or the projections of Oort cloud. These are the two ends, but the projections only in the Oort cloud, but definitely kuplar belt. We'll be discussing about these two topics today. So we can start from the asteroid. A lot of years ago, after the Big Bang theory, our Milky Way galaxy was formed and several solar system was found. Also in as part our solar system was found by a cloudy shape like gases, many gases. First our sun was found, next Jupiter, next Saturn, and many planets are found. But before that, after the explosion of Big Bang theory, a lot of particles, fine particles or stones or big rocks are evolving in the space. Simply this rotating itself, or it is not revolute any substance or any part of matter, but it's rotating its own. They have no orbit and all, it's rotating its own. After the sun, the great sun formed, many of the asteroids are tended to revolute the sun because sun's gravitation pull. We'll be discussing about the sun's gravitation pull in some other video, not in the space week. I will be posting in a separate video about that. It's a long topic. So it's a huge gravitation pulls are there, many particles are there. We know about three structures in an atom, electron, proton and neutron, but in that category also some newly substances are there for making the proton, neutron, electrons are there. A lot of fine particles also there, but a basic is neutron, electron and proton. But in this sun having a huge number of hydrogen and helium, it's converting helium gas into hydrogen and it is burning. Because of that, a strong gravitational pull has evolving around the sun. Because that gravitational pull, a lot of asteroids are tend to revolute the sun. While revoluting, many asteroids were collide each other to form a small asteroid, like small shapes, not round shape, small irregular shapes. But after some years, some to like 300 to 400 years, a lot of asteroids are collide and making a huge large 8 planets only. As we consider, Pluto is not a planet, is a draft planet. After 2006 the decision came. So as per the decision, Pluto was rejected from our planet list, planet family or sun's family. Not rejected from sun's family, it's rejected from the planet family only, not in the sun's family. So this many newly planets were formed, and in between some planets like from Earth only it is starting. Venus and Mercury have no moons, no natural satellite. From Earth is starting as one, we know about that in sky moon. And next it is in the Mars, that is Phobos and Deimos. That is two moons of Mars. There are two moons, but it's in the shape of a car, like a car shape only. That's small minute particles are made up to form the Phobos. But in the case of Deimos, it's also in the same shape as like in the car, but it have more advantages than the Phobos. But Deimos have revoluting the Mars in very quick time, but Phobos are taking much time. Okay, so After that, the moon's increasement is increasing as per the planet, according to the planet. We know about the Saturn and all, approximately they are telling 72, 68, that much number, a huge number. After Uranus, even if Pluto is not considered as a planet, but it's considered as a dwarf planet, but it have the 16th biggest moon, that is Charon. 16th biggest moon in our solar system, that is Charon. It have Charon. It have 21 moons, approximately they calculated they have 21 moons. So as per it is increasing to 1 2, and it is increasing 50 60 80. But how the moon will be forming? But by the colliding of many small asteroid. But our moon is formed by an small planet. By colliding the asteroid, it formed a small planet that was named as Theia. That Theia planet has emerged or collided with our Earth, and because of that Earth gravitation pull, it is evolving around the sun, and we name it as moon. But before it is in a small planet, it's like called a Theia. So after by evolving planets and all, many moons and all, many asteroids are left over it. They are revoluting the suns due to the gravitation pull. They are revoluting as per the orbital manner. Some are revoluting its own orbit. Each asteroid have its own orbit. We know in the films we saw a lot of space movies and all. In that movie, two asteroids are colliding very fast to each other, but in the space is a huge distance. We can't calculate that much distance each. And if consider an example, if we are in one asteroid, if we now we are looking this video in one asteroid, the next asteroid will be 400 miles away. For movie, for creating a sense, for creating a logical, they are showing like that, but actually they have 400 miles away from each asteroid. Some of the asteroids are 1000 miles away from each asteroid. A lot of distance are there. So that much distance each asteroid have. The asteroids will be colliding and forming a newly planet or moon. We know about that. But due to the gravitation pull of Jupiter and Saturn, the asteroids are simply revoluting. Without, if we consider in the case without Jupiter and Saturn, not in that much gravitational pull, or even Jupiter and Saturn is not there in our planet system, in our solar system, thousands of planets will be involved or evolved or formed because of those asteroids. It contains a millions of asteroids. It contains, so we can't calculate. We simply name it as one asteroid 1, asteroid 2, asteroid 3. Rather we name it. When we name it, is difficult to memorize those names, so it will be more suitable for relating 1 2 3. In that only, in this it's not a case of part week. I am discussing a small topic in between this. We know about that. We said our channel has 1 2 3 number only. The number has more positive things are there, as we consider to according to asteroids also. Most suitable is 1 2 3, not in the ABCD. It's another point. It's a point of mine. So leave it that. It's not a matter. So come back to space. So in this, many asteroids are evolving simply, and they are forming a belt over there. Some of the asteroids are revolving the sun as per its own orbit in a clockwise manner. Some of the asteroids are revolving anti-clockwise manner. This asteroid belt was formed after forming Jupiter and Saturn. It is formed after only our Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Mercury are formed. So we clear about that asteroid belt. But I said, or the scientists are proved, each and every solar system has its own end, where it will be. Sure, it's kuplar belt or Oort cloud. Many of the asteroids are thrown away from our solar system, not fully from our rejected in the solar system, but they are thrown out of our solar family. Solar family will be containing only planets, including asteroid belt, only that much. It is thrown out from our solar family to the edge of the solar system. That is, a lot of asteroids are thrown away, millions of asteroids are thrown away. They are formed together and they are revoluting in an circular manner. That is kuplar belt. In the kuplar belt, we discussed about a sedna. I'll be providing the link in the description box. You can watch that video. The Pluto, largest asteroid. It's not an asteroid, it's a dwarf planet in the kuplar belt is the Pluto. But in the asteroid case, in the asteroid belt, largest planet is Ceres. It's a planet name. It's Ceres. It has 1,000 kilometer diameter. But some of the asteroids are 1 centimeter, like small much pieces of asteroids. Some have 10 kilometers, like that and all. But it's have 1,000 kilometer series. It's only a dwarf planet is in the asteroid. It's a big. But in the case of Kuplar belt, Pluto was the first place. But in the case of Sedna, we discussed it's compared as Charon. Okay, I'll be providing the link in the description box. You can watch that video. So it's very a lot of minute planets are there, like Meke and all, etc. So lot of surprising giving planets also there, like Sedna and all. So our scientists are they are projecting that only, not completely, definitely they are not telling. Some of the proofs are getting day by day only. That is, Oort cloud is end of our solar system. First, our scientists at 19th century, not 19th century, it is 19th case, 1960 and all, 80 and all, they concluded our solar system will be end in the Pluto. But after 1999 to 2010, in that period, Kuplar belt, a dwarf planet, said a lot of planets are found. After 2013 to till now 2020-21, a lot of scientists are predicting that it will be in the Oort cloud. Oort cloud is a cloudy structure till our sun, when it was sun was formed in that time period till now, it is there projections. But the proofs also we are getting day by day. We are getting the Oort cloud is there. So Oort cloud, they are not completely, they are not proving it will be there, Oort cloud in that only. So it's 1,000 miles above the suns and forming a ball-like structure or a donut-like structure. Donut, we know that we are eating day by day, and also shops and all we will be getting donut, sweetie donuts, like that, like a donut shape. So as this video is we will be ending this video. So tomorrow, as part 4 or day 4, we will be discussing about another session, like another topic, a grateful topic. So you can follow me through subscribe my channel to get more informative videos. It will be more informative. You can sometimes, if you are attending an exam or attending some general press and all, etc., a lot of questions will be asked from this space and all. So you will be ready by looking the video. You will be ready to get answers for that question, for those questions. You will be ready to answer. So I am concluding my this topic in this video, that is asteroid belt and the Kuplar belt or Oort cloud. It's a projection only, Oort cloud. Some proofs are getting day by day. We don't know about that. At 2030 Oort cloud is the end of our solar system, or in the 2080 it will be a newly scientists are finding the Oort cloud. After the Oort, some clouds are there. We don't know about that. So we can simply predict those matters and we can try to solve those problems only, not completely. We can try to solve those problems. So you can subscribe my channel and you will be getting and click a bell icon. You will be getting a personalized notification. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and many are don't know about this and all, Oort cloud and all, etc. So you can share to them through any media. Okay, any media you can share. And to get more, don't miss any videos in my channel. It will be more informative things. I'll be putting daily videos, so don't miss any videos. Okay, subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you. I'll be giving the description, I will give the link in the description box to the yesterday's or part 2 video. Thank you.